This is a F-722 board that I purchased from Aliexpress. Now, the setup is quite difficult because originally there was no instructions as to whether there is a compass or a barometer on board. Right down in the middle at the front here, there's an empty IC location that doesn't have anything in it. And I believe that this board doesn't have a magnometer. I tried a GPS module, this one here, it's MAN, and it has the compass inbuilt, and it wouldn't work at all. I've wired it. Those are SDL and SDA, and I can't get it detected at all. When I connect it to the configurator, I'll show you what happens. Just looking at the screen, there's the compass calibration, and doing that calibration ends up with nothing detected at all. In fact, you can tell by the 3 zeros and the 31024s that it hasn't detected at all. Moving on to the next stage, is the configuration. Now, definitely we have this one here, because up at the top of the screen, we have the gyro in the blue and the accelerometer, and the mag is there, but in red, not working. The baro is there. The GPS is wired and does work, and as soon as it gets a fix, it will change. So the problem is the mag and the baro. What is the best one to use? Well, it says here that the chips for the baro are the S310, the SPL06, and another one. And you can pick any of these, and what will happen is that it just will not detect anything at all. So this is a favorite one. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Up in the corner here, where my cursor is, you can see that there's a heading. I don't really know what that is, whether it's a compass working, because you can see it now swinging round from 360 degrees right round and back to zero. Now, the problem is this using the accelerometer as a type of compass, or is it in fact a compass working without being detected? The problem is I can't make it move from 0 degrees. If we scroll down to the alignment tool, Well, I've tried nearly every combination. Certainly the board is correct because it's horizontal and it's in line. It's not pitched up or down or rolled over to one side. So it's one of these. Now, I'm not sure which of these to select. I've tried nearly all of them one at a time and nothing works. There is another way that we can look at it. Now, the compass inside the M8N is inverted. So maybe it's a flip, and that might fix it. But in fact, it doesn't. What happens is it's still 0 degrees, and you can go down through the whole list. So obviously, if I'd have known that there, I think, are chips missing, it was pointless because this will just not work. And for a quadcopter, you really need the barrow. So I'm giving this a very, very low score. It looks good. Some of the equipment has worked, the speed controllers and the motors, but I can't finish the setting up, and I think it probably needs returning back to Ali because, as far as I'm concerned, it's no good. And I have obviously soldered the components in to try and get it to go, but I'm afraid I've given up now.